What is going on, Comic Clan? Errol here, and you're riding the HRC with High Road Comics. Today is Funko Friday, so let's go ahead and check it out. I got this one from Amazon.
Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
Amazon. And I also have another one that I already opened because, well, I couldn't wait. Oh, what if I accidentally damaged this one? I didn't know this was what it was. I was like, damn, such a big box for a small pop, but it's not a small pop. So let's go ahead and check it out. When did Amazon start doing bubble wrap? Dang, I'm so excited. It's because it's odd. It's not like a 6-inch. It's not 3 and whatever inch. Alright, so go ahead and check it out. Spoiler alert, you already see it through the bubble wrap. Oh man. It smells weird. Like nail polish. Mounted White Walker. I wish I could take it out of the box and show you, but I can't. I'm not allowed. So, number 60. Fucking box damage. Oh, makes me sad. But here it is. Sweet. I was gonna return it, but then I was like, eh. Okay, yeah, I'm not really a fan of box damage. Alright, so let's see what I got here. This one, don't worry. It's not gonna take long. This one is actually my favorite Diamond Collection Funko Pop. Just came out, it's a Hot Topic exclusive. We got Disney 301 from The Lion King, Rafiki with Simba, and it's Diamond. Shining bright like a diamond. Dope. So yeah, this one I'm super happy with. Funko Shop actually had a flock Rafiki that came out not too long ago. Didn't grab it. I grabbed their Funko Shop exclusive today. Can't wait to do that for a Funko Friday. Should be here by next Friday. But yeah, that's all I got. This is High Road Comics, and I'll see you at the next stop.